Okay, here we are, almost 2/3 of the way through the cigar. Um, Actually, we're starting the 2/3. The cigar is steady. The complexity of flavors hasn't really changed. A lot of cigars, people like the fact that they change flavors. They develop as they go. This one doesn't really develop, but it's a good. Once again, you can see the burn mark is almost even. There's a little bit of tear in the wrapper. That just happens sometimes. It's just kind of come loose, but it's about to burn through that, so that's not a problem. One thing I like about Lanceros is you can smoke a whole lot of the cigar without it getting hot. When a cigar gets hot, let's say up here towards the top of the ring, it might get hot before that, but when a cigar gets hot, you really can't taste the flavors. It's not pleasurable anymore, and it's time to put it down. I usually give it about an inch before I put it down. By then I will have removed the band. You'll see later. I will have removed the band, and you can just see the cigar itself. But once again, the ash is holding on. It's very well constructed. And as far as how it goes with the tequila, this tequila has a lot of the blue agave flavor in it, which is what you're looking for in a sipping tequila. And it also has a little bit of wood in the background, which makes it gives it a little more flavor, makes it a little more pleasurable, and makes it blend better with the cigar. In the retrohale, the pepper has stayed about the same. It's not backing off any, which is something you'd look for in a stronger cigar. A lot of cigars, they start out with heavy pepper, and then the pepper kind of dissipates, and then it comes back. As far as this one, so far though, the pepper has remained consistent. It's a very consistent cigar. If you're looking for a cigar that has a lot of changes in the flavor profile, this is really not the cigar for you. This is a good, strong, consistent cigar. And everybody I know who smokes these loves them. They just think it's one of the best that Black Label comes out with. And It doesn't leave a whole lot of residue on the palate, which is nice. Now that part of that is the tequila, because it will rinse the palate when you take a sip. And part of it is just the fact that the cigar is so well blended that it just stays consistent all the way through.